Congrats on upgrading to PlayStation 5. Now, if you already have an account on your PS4 console or even any other older consoles, then you can transfer the same account to your PS5 without needing to start from scratch. So let's jump right in. So as you can see, we are signed in into our PS4 with this account. And now we are gonna log in with our PS4 account on our PS5 console. So as you can see, we are in the startup screen. You just need to go to add user and we'll select add a user to this PS5. So let's press X on get started, agree to the agreement and confirm. Now you can either use the PlayStation app on your mobile or you can sign in manually. Here you'll need to put the exact same email and password that you used to log into your PS4 console. Now it's telling us to set up a PS5 login passcode, which we will do right away. You can skip it if you don't want to, and then press OK. And just like that, we have successfully logged into your PS5 using the same old account that you use on your PS4 console. Hope you liked this video and make sure to stay tuned for more.